Kings and queens, just a little side. Look at that. Ain't that some pretty catfish? Yeah, I'm eating catfish. This in real time. Sure is. And some grits. That's all that it is, baby. Look at that pretty piece of catfish, baby. From the fish house again. Can you fry fish like that? I know y'all can. I'm just having fun. That's it. Ain't that some pretty catfish? Woo, woo. Let's take the... Peace out, my nap kings and queens. I am Tamika Armstrong, also in Snappy TV. Subscribe, comment, like, just a little light afternoon snack. So I can go back and do what? Spark some more. I'm a Walmart Spark driver also. Peace out. Kings and queens, just wanted to come on with another alternative. Yes, gluten-free. Honey, these come from our local store, The Pig in Wiggly. And, of course, this is the yellow corn. So, I was eating that at first when I saw it said gluten-free. I was like, and it's so much creamy. I really do love this. Hey, this video is not sponsored. And I just want to add my napkins and queens. Hey, both of them are exactly just about the same. So, it's just a little bit in price difference. So, peace out. There's that catfish. Peace out, my napkins and queens.